Alright, hello everybody. Today is July 21st. It is Tuesday, so I have not traded in my my day trading account this week. I haven't had the time, been busy with other things. Here is my futures account using my simple switch sniper strategy. Our targets, our crosshairs have lined up and the wind is going in the direction we want it to go in. So we're going to jump into this trade here in about 15 seconds. We're going to short this in the futures market using that simple switch sniper strategy. So we're going to short. Only downside is the future market's going to start closing here shortly for a little break that it does, and short. All right, maybe get a little discount. All right, cool. So we'll mark it up. So if it's not giving you the exact number, you can come here and type it in, and automatically go there. And then I use yellow for my entry line. That tells me where I got in. Okay, so with this strategy, I'm really only looking for a this first target right here. It's just hit that target and it'll be done. Occasionally, depending how it gets into that target, I'll trail a stop, but for the most part, that's the money right there. And then my stop is gonna change. It's a little bit variable where my stop will end up being based on some strategy rules. But target is always, that's it. If it comes into this slowly and barely touches it, I'm out. If it wants to smash through, and I'm watching it, then I'll be able to trail a stop on it and get some bonus money. But yeah, that's basically the target. I'm just going to throw a stop in, then I'm going to move down to this target as it crosses. I like to trade on the charts, and then I'm going to go ahead and take my little pointer. So I just put a stop in here. I'll keep this nice and out of the way, and then I'll slide it in when I need to slide it in. If I just put my target in, and if it smashed through, then I miss out on bonus money. You know, I got my target by missing on bonus money. I do that if I'm not going to watch it. I'll go ahead and put an OCO order in, and then you know, it gets my target, I'm good to go. But right now I'll be mostly watching it, so we'll hang out. Okay, so we're a couple dollars off of my target. Can almost jump out here, it'll be a good trade. Or could have almost jumped out there, it would have been a good trade. 45, we're looking at 44.02. The low of this candle so far is 32.45. So basically, right there, just not almost about $1 off, which is like nothing. All right, let's see. See if we can get a little push down in there. And then I'm going to drag my stop to that marker. Trading this on the 30-minute candles. So my sniper strategy I do in a 30-minute and the 4-hour candle. Depending on what my day is, you know, if I just want to pop in every 4 hours and see if there's a shot to take, and I can pop in every 4 hours and see if there's a shot to take. So I'm not, you know, doesn't require a lot of my time, and I can still make a decent amount of money. And the 4-hour candles moves are bigger, so the profits are bigger, so are the losses. And this is on a 30-minute candle right now, so we get a little more trade frequency, but still, it's, you know, every 30 minutes I can pop in and take a peek and then leave. And then sometimes, you know, the trade will happen quickly for us. We're out, you know, in 10 or 15 minutes, like we might be now. And sometimes this trade could take, you know, hours. Let's see here. Come on, let's go. A lot of support there at that 32.46 area. You can see on the level 2. Plus, if you look back over here, you can see where this was an area where a lot of stuff was happening. Alright, so we're basically $1 off our target. A lot of support. Part of me wants to just take the trade off the table. Take that money. Only $1 away, not that biggie. At 45. I don't want to take it off at 47. It's too far away. Alright. Look into these numbers here. Look at that. A lot of buying support here. 118 versus 40. 124 versus 39. A lot of buying right here. 45, 46. Come on. Alright, so we're going to move this all the way back down. And I may just take this trade off the table here. Here's my stop, so I can grab it easy and drag it. Alright, we're just going to take it off. Oh, we're not going to take it off. Next time it pops back down here, I'm going to put my stop in. Come on. That was a second late. Second late. Come on back down here. Let's go. If you miss it by $1, you know, it's $5, whatever. Come on, let's go. 45, 75. Alright, and then if we get out, we get out. Alright, cool. So there we go. So our shot lined up, took that shot, and we got out pretty much where we wanted to get out. You know, maybe almost $1 off of that. Tell you the exact number over here. Pull up my monitor on the other side. So we got out at 32.45.75. So basically, you know, 76 cents, 74 cents, 73 cents off of our target. So in the grand scheme of things, I'd rather take my trade off early like that than to stay and watch this thing rebound. With the sniper strategy, it's really just about getting these quick hits and you're out. Whereas my simple switch day trading strategy, I would wait for a clear break, try to trail it if I could, you know, stuff like that. But on these, it's take it when you can get it and get out. So and that's what we did. All right, everybody. Hopefully we'll get another trade in. You know, we got all night. The best part is like I was able to get in this trade and get out before this day concluded, which is awesome. So hopefully we can get some other trades in. But this day will be over. This will be the only trade I took for today on Tuesday's deal. Next trade will go on to Wednesday's deal, even though it'll be on Tuesday night trading. All right, everybody. Have an awesome day. We'll see you tomorrow.